Okay, that's a 10 by 10, 3 meters by 3 meters, 10 feet by 10 feet, give or take, tarp. And I'm gonna fold it, and I'm gonna show you how it's done before I do it. You need to find the center, which in this case, it's gonna be right there. So that's a ridge, right? So find the center. You're gonna bring this with the other end together, right there. And then you're gonna find that center over here, and we'll pull it together and you'll see what's gonna happen. Not my idea, I saw a guy doing it with, I don't know if it was a towel or what, but I thought it was brilliant. And why not try it? So, here we go. Let's do this. So, you grab the one. Get the next one. Put them together. Then you grab the one in the center. And there it is. Couldn't be easier. Roll it, put it in the pouch, and you're done. Hope it was helpful.